Okay, we're recording. Oh, it looks alright, man. Is it? Is it like wanting to dip down? It's like you need to recalibrate again, all your settings.
Yeah, that's off. See how much it tips when I let go.
Yeah. So is it like try to turn a different way or something, or does it go down?
Straight, man.
That's,
like it wants to dip down.
oh, that's alright. Maybe the prop has different characteristics.
That's how it dips down.
Yeah. You might just need some up trim, eh?
Yeah.
Seems to fly alright though.
Yeah, it's good.
Low speed. Yeah. It's like it's getting too easy to fly these now. Cool, nice smooth, slow loop. If you want to do a roll, you got to point it up and then let go of the elevator and then just roll it.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Because otherwise it'll twist. Yeah, that's it. I always set up those low passes with a real wide banking turn, like so I can set it up from far away. You've been going for 2.5 minutes now. So you've probably got like another 30 seconds. Yeah, cut the power a bit, straighten it up. Doesn't matter if it lands over there, man. Yeah, and just glide it in. Nice.